Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In today's topic we'll be talking about animals and their name. Anumanu na ahaha. I'll be talking their names in English and Igbo. Stay tuned guys. Let's go on guys. The first one is owl, frog, elephant, enyi. Oh, ikwikwi. That sounds nice. Duck, obogo. Squirrel, osa. Sheep, atoro. Goose, okwa. Snail, eju. Lizard, ngwere. Tortoise, mbe. Monkey, enwe. Mosquito, anwụnta. Spider, ududo. Fly, iji. Rabbit, oke ụlọ. Vulture, udele. Rabbit, oke ụlọ. Say that already. Rat, oke. Scorpion, akpị. Snake, agwọ. Pig, ezi. Dog, nkịta. Donkey, ịnyịnya ibu. Horse, ịnyịnya. Cow, ehi. Chicken, ọkụkọ. Crab, nshịkọ. Goat, ewu. Cockroach, ọchịcha. Caterpillar, eruru. Butterfly, ụbụba. Beetle, ebe. Antelope, mgbada. Bat, ọsọ. Bird, nnụnụ. Cat, nwamba. Lion, ọdụm. Leopard, a tiger, agụ. Antelope, mgbada. Fish, azụ. Eagle, ugo. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Did you got any new animal name in English or Igbo? Let me know in the comment section. Are you yet to subscribe? Are you yet to give thumbs up to the video? Guys, do that. Share to family and friends. Thanks for being part of this channel. I love you guys. Bye.